teachers. Today I want to show you how to create a safe URL. In my previous tutorials, I showed you the concept of adding a web link. Now I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube video that is distraction free. And you're going to need another website, which I'll show you in a little bit. So when I'm looking for something to assign, I type in the topic. I also add the words for kids. That way, things that are developmentally inappropriate don't pop up, like maybe something that is geared for college level students. Something else that I find useful is turning the autoplay off. So to create this safer URL, I need to copy this link. So I'm going to hit copy. Then I'm going to go to another website. This is the website. There are a few available. It's called Safe YouTube. I'm going to insert the link. I generate the link. Now this website has created the safe URL for me, and I'm going to copy this. Now I'm going to go back to Seesaw. I'm here in Seesaw, and remember, you can add this as an activity or I can add it to journal. And I'm going to add it to journal because it's a little bit faster. So I hit the plus, post student work, link. I'm going to put the safe URL, hit check, and I'm going to hit check again, assign it. And now this video is uploaded. Now I want to hit play so I can show you. If you look at this carefully, this is no longer playing from YouTube, it's playing from Safe YouTube. Now I want to show you that when I hit play, the ads are not coming up, and if I go to the end, nothing else will play. So there you go. I hope you found this helpful.